Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
Stop the car and park before setting up YouTube playback in your Xl6. Safety matters first and prevents distraction while driving the vehicle. You can choose wired or wireless methods to mirror or stream video to the factory screen. Wired methods use a physical cable and stable power from a 5V2A USB charger. Wireless methods use Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, or an HDMI dongle to stream. Always secure the phone with a mount and confirm local laws about video playback while driving. Connect your phone to the Xl6 using a 1-meter USB-C or Lightning cable. Plug the cable into a 5V2A car charger beneath the dash for stable power. If the head unit accepts HDMI, attach an MHL adapter or HDMI dongle to mirror video. Use the infotainment input selector to choose HDMI or USB mode for video playback. Remember the 3.5mm aux jack only carries audio and cannot display YouTube video. For wireless streaming, use Android Auto Wireless or a Wi-Fi dongle if your Xl6 supports it. Pair via Bluetooth for audio and enable screen casting on the phone for video where allowed. An FM transmitter will only send audio to the car radio and will not display video on the factory screen. Keep the phone about 10 cm away from vents to avoid overheating and reduce glare with a tilted mount. Follow local laws and do not watch video while driving the vehicle.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.